Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this Explorer Top in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Explorer Top looks like. And if you want to unlock this top, you need to increase your collection. I'm going to open up my collection and I got this top from the collection reward. This one. And you need to reach this points if you want to unlock this reward. I don't know, points or level. Well, you can increase your points by adding new items to your collection or unlocking new set in this collection. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Explorer Top in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!